Hello guys, this is Peggy. Today we're taking you to meet top 5 champion barista and coffee roaster. Are you also one of those people who need at least a cup of coffee a day? I'm not gonna lie, but I've already lost count of how many cups of coffee that I drink each day. We'll be visiting all these award-winning barista by chronological order starting from 2004. Now, without further ado, let's go. Number 4, ORSIR Coffee. We're now at ORSIR Coffee. The barista, Ms. Li Yating, impressed Japanese siphonist masters at the 2009 World Siphonist Championship. Starting as a coffee place waitress, she finally became the champion barista after 1,000 times of practice. She persists a theory of from seed to cup, which she devotes particular care in every single step of coffee making. And the manager of ORSIR Coffee, Mr. Xu, also plays an important role of helping her to achieve this important milestone. Now, let's go have a little chat with them. What is the concept that ORSIR want to deliver?
29 years ago, our goal is very easy because that moment we don't have too much coffee, too much upstream in Taiwan's market. We purchase the coffee directly from origin to Taiwan. Now the environment is very challenging. The coffee shop is everywhere in Taiwan, right?
It is true.
Then we think about when people get coffee, it's more easily. But how about the quality and the customer friendly?
Now let's welcome Ms. Li. So is there any concept that you want to deliver through coffee? And what makes you passionate about coffee?
我在煮我第一杯虹吸咖啡，就是当时候在练习这个器具的时候，那我会发现说，其实咖啡它真的有很多本身自然会带出来的一个风味特色。那你就是透过你的一个技术，你可以把它风味就是传达出来，然后这就是咖啡农他想要传达的一个他原始的一个种植的一个理念这些。对。
Now it's my turn to try siphon. Okay, so now I just need to move it straight, right? Okay.
然后现在我们就可以去尝试闻一下它的味道，然后等大概就是现在还有40秒钟。
Okay.
待会时间到，我们就把火先关掉。
Okay.
然后把它稍微移出来一点，再做搅拌。那咖啡就已经开始在下来了。好，我现在来品尝看看 Peggy 的第一杯咖啡。好喝。
Really? You can be honest, it's okay.
真的好喝，因为豆子很好。
All right, it's not because of me. I do call myself a coffee lover, but to be honest, this is the first time of me seeing siphon, and I was a bit nervous when they told me that I have to make one on my own. But I really enjoy the experience of learning how to describe the taste and flavor. So if you also want to try a new way of making coffee, you are more than welcome to come to ORSIR.